In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach an email in Outlook mobile app. Now to do this, first you want to open the app on your phone. You want to go and start a new mail. So I'm going to go to the bottom right and tap on this button to actually, of course, write a new message. Then what you want to do here is just type in whatever you want to type. And here at the bottom, if you want to attach the email, you want to tap on the paperclip icon. So it's located over here. You can see I'm highlighting over it at the bottom under Tools. Tap on that, and then at the bottom it says choose from emails. You want to tap on that, and up top it's going to say attach email. Here you can just go and select the one you want to attach. So I'm just going to go with this. For example, over here, this one, I'm going to tap on it, and I'm going to tap on attach. You can also preview it, but just like this, as you can see, the email has been attached into my new email I'm writing, and of course I can go ahead and type out the email, send it, and the recipient will receive this email as an attachment, just like this, as an EML file. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.